Today I'm here purely as a financial member of the party and a citizen of this nation. We are waiting for a very important decision to be made by our management board, and being in a very critical situation, I'm just wanting to do my last bid to be able to help the board make their decision. And hopefully by presenting to them what the people and the members are wishing, that they will be able to make the right decisions in the meeting this afternoon. I could not divulge simply because there hasn't been a vote. There has been negotiations and decision made. It will be a show of hands at the meeting, and officially I'll leave that for the party to comment on. For me, I'm just doing my part as a financial member of the party and a citizen of this nation to help them, show them our voice. We have our own issues and things that the board members feel. Again, I cannot comment on that. I'll leave that for official statements from the party. For me, it's just my personal stand. I went around this nation for almost 3 elections, almost a decade or so, promising them change, promising them the principles and values the party stood for. And, the decision that's going to be made in a couple of hours will tell who we are and what the party is. And as a long-time member of this party, I hope that we will be standing to where our principles are and what we've promised the people, even though they did not give us the mandate. But I think overall they've showed their voice, and the voice is clear, and we must not be the obstacle to give the people the Christmas present they need. Yeah, it's pretty huge. If you can see behind me, the line has been like this since morning, and so I think people, all of us wants change, and I just hope that we'll be able to show our petition to the board, and the board can make their decision in the afternoon. For me, it's just 16 years is too long. 16 years of under leadership, by normal standard, it shouldn't be. Every government, every nation must have this season, and I think FijiFirst season is up. And for us who are alive in this time and place, I believe that what Mordecai said to us, we are ordained to be here for such a time as this. And it's time that we speak, time that we show what we believe in, and give our future generation a better Fiji that they deserve.